Alright, I have my nice new Suzuki Vstrom 1050 DE, and something that was one of the things that I wanted to change first off as soon as I saw the bike, because everything else is lovely. It's this huge can, it's absolutely massive, and it doesn't sound that great. It's a bit too quiet for my liking. And so I decided to go with a GRMoto exhaust system, which I ordered yesterday just after 3 o'clock, and it arrived today by 1 o'clock, which was amazing. They happened to have the one that I wanted in stock, and I'll unbox that in a few minutes. First things first, let's actually hear what the stock exhaust sounds like. So as you can hear, it's not terribly loud. I mean, it sounds loud in my garage, right? But out on the road, it's not terribly loud at all. So go ahead and I'll replace this now. Okay, all nice and new, nice and easy. That was rather simple. And yeah, there is a little retaining clip. There we are. One heavy and fairly quiet can. Let's take a look inside this box. Beast inside. Unleash with care. Oh, nice. Oh, that is a thing of beauty. Oh, that is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is the road legal version of, I think it's tri-oval, I think it's called. The road legal version of it, which you can remove the baffle on it if you want to. And I mean, that's just nice. I can just tell I'm going to be polishing that for forever. That's a lovely piece of kit. Nice and shiny. Big difference between the original can and this one. That is the GRMoto exhaust now in place. It was a bit of a bugger. Not that it was difficult. These bits here were not difficult. New clamps in place. I've tightened them down. I haven't used any sealant yet, so I just need to see whether this actually seals. But figuring out the dropper, so the hanger bracket, or the drop down bracket rather. So the hanger here is not at the right height, so there's obviously a bit of a slight difference between the can itself and then the position of the hanger. So I had to use this spacer which came with it along with the hanger, and there's the two bolts. It looks a little bit ropey to me, but I personally think there could have been a slightly better design on that particular hanger there, but I think you'll agree that it actually does look really rather nice now. It looks an awful lot better than the stock exhaust. Haven't turned it on yet, so that will be next. Let's see how this goes. So this is it with the DB killer in it. Oh my god. Alright. That sounds bloody good. Oh. Love that noise.